Today's video topic is tampons versus pads. Is one better than the other? There's no denying that tampons and pads are both great options for dealing with your period. But is one better than the other? Let's take a look at the pros and cons of each to help you decide which is right for you. What are pads? Pads are pieces of absorbent materials made from cotton or polymer that stick to the underwear to absorb menstrual blood. Pads come in a variety of sizes, shapes, and absorbencies to fit your individual needs. Pros of pads. Pads are easy to use. You simply peel off the backing and stick them to your underwear. Pads come in a variety of sizes and absorbencies, so you can find the perfect fit for your needs. Some people find that pads are more comfortable to wear than tampons. Also, pads can be worn with different types of underwear, and they don't carry the risk of toxic shock syndrome like tampons. Cons of pads. Pads can be visible through clothing, so you might have to wear darker colors or avoid tight-fitting clothes. Also, pads can sometimes move around, which can be uncomfortable. Now, let's talk about tampons. So, what are tampons? Tampons are small, absorbent cylinders that are inserted into the vagina during menstruation to absorb blood flow. They are made of absorbent material, usually cotton, and have a string attached to one end that is used to remove the tampon when it is full. Tampons are available in different sizes, absorbencies, and brands. Tampons should be changed every 4 to 8 hours or as needed. It is important to change tampons frequently to prevent buildup of bacteria and reduce the risk of toxic shock syndrome, TSS. Pros of tampons. Tampons are small and discreet, so you can carry them around with you without anyone knowing. Also, they don't require any special care or attention. You just insert them and leave them. Tampons can also be worn for longer periods of time than pads, making them ideal for busy days or long nights. And also, you can swim in them and they are not visible. Cons of tampons. Tampons can be tricky to insert, especially if you're a first-time user. Also, there is a small risk of toxic shock syndrome, TSS, associated with tampon use, which is a life-threatening condition that can come from wearing a single tampon for a long time, or sometimes can come from using very absorbent tampons. Some people find that tampons can be uncomfortable to wear, especially if they're inserted for long periods of time. So, which is better? Well, there's no easy answer. It really depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for something small and discreet, then tampons are the way to go. But if you're looking for something comfortable and easy to use, then pads are the better option. Whichever you choose, just make sure you're using them properly to avoid any irritation or infection.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.